Okay, in this sum, they have given the function and they have also given some point. When x is 2, your f of 2 is 7. So in that case, I can use that point to get the value of k. So if I replace x with 2, it is going to be f of 2 is equals to k squared times 2 squared minus 6 times k times 2. If I simplify this, and since we know f of 2 is 7, and it would be 4k squared minus 12k. If I rewrite this in a quadratic format, so it looks like 4k squared minus 12k minus 7 equals to 0. And I have to solve this quadratic equation. And let me use the middle term splitting and factorizing it. So in order to do that, I have to multiply my first and the last term. So that would be 4k square minus 7, 4k square times minus 7, which will be minus 28k square. And I have to find the factors for this in such a way that it should add up to give me minus 12k. And the factors are going to be minus 14k and plus 2k. So when I multiply these two, I will be getting minus 28k square. And when I add them, I'll get minus 12k. So which means the middle term in this case can be splitted as minus 14k plus 2k and minus 7 remains same. In the first two terms, I can take 2k common. That will be give me 2k minus 7. And in these two terms, I can take positive 1 common. So that remains 2k minus 7. So I can write this as 2k plus 1 or times 2k minus 7 equals to 0. So whenever I have the two factors which are getting multiplied and giving it 0, so in that case, I can simply say 2k plus 1 equals to 0 or 2k minus 7 equals to 0. So that gives me something like k is minus 1 over 2 or k is positive 7 over 2. So they are talking about find the one of the value of k. So for sure minus 7 by 2 doesn't match. So that is the reason it should be option B minus half.